Hello, my name is Candy, and I'm the owner of Order Your Steps. Order Your Steps is a professional organizing company. We're a spiritually based company that helps guide you through the organizing process. Are you simply overwhelmed by just life in general, and it doesn't help that your house is totally unorganized? Well, we would love to be able to put a little order to your chaos. Allow us to help you to order your steps. During the in-home consultation, we actually take a tour of your home and the space that you need to organize. As we go through the home, we give you organizing tips that's going to help you along the way and hopefully help you to maintain it when we're all done. We'd like you to give us a call today at 301-437-4610. Bye-bye for now.